How to find and promote brand ads on Collabzi. Step 1. Access your assigned ads. Once your account is approved, log in and go to the Ads section in the left sidebar. Under the Active Ads tab, you'll see the brand ads assigned to your account. Next to the Active Ads tab is the Archived Ads tab, where inactive or completed brand ads will appear. Step 2. View ad details. From Active Ads tabs, click the View Ad button for the ad you want to promote. You'll see two tabs. First, Details contains brand information, guidelines, and ad promotion instructions. Second, Statistics shows performance data for the ad, like clicks, earnings, etc. Step 3. Review promotion guidelines. Under the Details tab, scroll down and carefully read all instructions. Brand objective, for example, sales. Country restriction, for example, India. Only clicks from this country will count for the revenue. Platform, for example, Instagram. Promote only on this platform. Important. Clicks from outside the specified country or platform will not earn you revenue. Step 4. Prepare your content. Ad title. Use this as a text overlay in your Instagram story or in your post caption. You can try variations. Ad description. Include this in your post or reel caption. You may tweak it slightly. Do's and don'ts. Review all brand requirements before posting. Step 5. Start promoting. Click the Start Promoting button. You'll see a simple 3-step process. Download creatives, save any provided images, videos. Copy the target link. This is your unique tracking link for the ad. Copy the CTA text. Use the provided call to action phrase. Step 6. Promote on Instagram. Open Instagram stories. Tap the sticker icon and select link. Paste your copied target link. In the text field below, add the CTA text. Adjust the sticker position, add your creativity, and post. You're now promoting a brand ad. Track your clicks and earnings in real time under the Statistics tab.